Hey guys, it's Anise Lamara. Welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to come to you guys today because I just did this bomb like wash and go using a cream only. Typically with my wash and goes I always use some type of a gel, so this is definitely different. For me, I use Softy Naturals, which is a hair brand that is one of the sister brands of Softy. Y'all know Softy. Y'all know Softy gel, Softy grease back in the day at the beauty supply store. Do a update because the last time I had a update with you guys, my hair was a mess. It's a lot better now than it was, and it's grown out a lot since then. As you can see, I decided not to cut my hair. Round of applause. Round of applause. That was very hard, very hard. I was actually considering shaving it back off, to the dismay of my family members, but I was able to book an appointment with Rachel Red. Rachel Red is based here in Atlanta and she is amazing. I went to her and she just did the works on my hair. Any type of treatment you can think of, trimmed my ends. And when she got to trimming my ends, after treating it, after steaming it, she was like, your hair is not in that bad of condition, like you tripping. Well, if that is the case, as much as we can keep, let's do that. And she kept the majority of my hair. My hair is actually past, like it's like pretty long right now. Even in the front, like it's grown out a whole lot. Like my hair is probably like right here overall. So she did an amazing job. She does not specialize in naturally curly hair, so she flat ironed my hair, she blow dried it out. I did notice that I did not have any heat damage, and that is because of course she used heat protectant, and the majority of her clients are natural, so that made me feel a lot better. With her flat ironing my hair, she only had to pass it one time. I did do behind the scenes, so you guys will see that footage. Afterwards, I made sure to be very diligent that if I needed to go back over my hair, if it got frizzy or whatever, that I used heat protectant. I think that's what happened last time. I did not use any heat protectant, so that was really dumb of me. And as you can see, my curls popped right back. My hair is stretched out. I stretched it out using the banding method. I used, how many? About 5 of these big old babies. The only thing about this, the banding method, is if your hair is wet, like super wet, it's not gonna dry. So I had to use a blow dryer to finish drying it, and it's still a little damp. Like it looks really great. It's very healthy. Tangling it is a breeze now. I'm having less and less breakage, and my hair is just in overall really great condition. Also, she did a color update. As you guys can see, my roots are back, so I'll be going in for a root touch up, and she went ginger all over. So beautiful. That is my color. Like ginger is my color. It looks so amazing, especially in the sun. It just looks so bomb. Then I went to her second time, I think like a month after my initial treatment, just for a hydration treatment, where she really put in a mask that really hydrated my hair, and she steamed it again. Everything that I'm using is adding hydration to my hair, because I think the issue was that my hair had gotten really dry. You know, it could have been a number of things that caused it. Definitely some of the products that I was using did not agree with my hair. I'm not going to name any brands. I was very pleasantly surprised that Softy Naturals did. I did not use their shampoo and conditioner because I have a specific shampoo and conditioner that I use for my hair now. I haven't really been using too many shampoos and conditioners. I've been very careful with that, just because of the basis of what I've been dealing with over the past year of, you know, products really drying out my hair, specifically their shampoos and their conditioners. So but I did use the 10-minute hair mask. Amazing. It smells great. It's not too fragrancy. It had really great slip. The cream enhancer, listen, I like for my hair to be big and fluffy and just, you know, full of attitude and personality, and I loved it. It doesn't feel heavy. My hair smells really good. I went over it with the Shine pomade, a little bit on my edges and then a little bit on the ends to add a little bit more shine, and that's it. So yeah, I am very happy with where I am with my hair journey right now. So I just wanted to do a little quick update because I know that the last time it was like so dire and I was so dramatic. Going to Rachel Red and finding someone here that I trusted was very important. I'll say that with, you know, my hair being short for 3 consecutive years, it being this length and growing, it's a lot. But the fact that, you know, my hair is in great condition, it's making it a lot easier to manage. You know, I'm just gonna ride out with it and just let it grow out and see what becomes of it. Until next time, I will see you guys later. I have a lot going on right now. Doing my own thing. I had to hire 2 assistants and a creative director. Essentially, I've had to hire a team of people to assist me, so it's definitely been a whirlwind since I've been in Atlanta, but it's all great things. Very excited to see what happens or what's coming up. I have a lot to share with you guys. I have a lot of amazing content that's coming. So I'm just so excited, so blessed, so incredibly happy that you guys are still here and rocking with me. So until next time, see you guys later.